Hello friends, I know you love our videos, so we have added captions in this video in more than 47 languages. Choose your favorite language and enjoy the video. Hello everyone, today we have with us a Bosch toolkit and we are going to check out what do we get inside of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So firstly, right over here we have a measuring tape which is of 3 meters length. There you go. This is how it looks. You also get a lanyard attached to it for the ease of use. This button right over here that you see is a temporary lock. So when you pull this measuring tape out, you can temporarily lock it using this button. Moving forward, the other thing that we get inside the box is this wrench, and this is adjustable via the screw that we have over here. And it has also got a nice rubber grip to it. Then inside the box we also get to see a hammer. This has also got the rubber grip and the Bosch branding towards this side. Next up we have got a plier. And last, but not the least, we have got a screwdriver, and also with it we get these attachments that we have over here. And we have also got the attachment names written on the bottom side of it. That's all folks. These are all the things that you will find out inside the box of the Bosch toolkit. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have seen the video till this, then subscribe the channel and also like it.